But she meant to go over there and could I get my glasses ready?
Oh, okay. I'll put them on you.
I got a close up of your chocolate face. So did you have chocolate for your dinner?
Oh, no.
Is it a dessert?
No.
Did you not have chocolate at all?
No.
Do you not like chocolate?
No.
Have you been smart?
How come we ended up with these socks?
You're undressed them. What's wrong with them like?
No, it's just I laid socks out for them. What was there?